Okay, the sluggish, depressed person who can't be cold sounds like they might have hypothyroidism.